Hello. All right, whatever. Today is the 10th day of the coding process, and every single time I say that makes me wish I would have named it something different, but it doesn't matter. You know what? I shall call it Steve. Today is the 10th day of Steve. All right, whatever. Let's get to it. All right. So, I created a new Unity project, and I called it something personal project. So, whoa. Let's just go ahead and, oh God, what? We're just gonna pretend that that didn't happen. I created a new Unity project called Personal Project and my game. So I assume it's going to have to do with um the personal project thing that we wrote. I don't know. But yeah, whatever. Let's just get to what we're supposed to do. Create a 3D object and make a plane. May think that's not a plane, and you are right. It's a plane, not a plane. And we're going to scale it up because we want it to be bigger. Yeah, that is literally it for this one. But well, also we want to reset the position just to make sure it's at 0. I forgot to do that before I changed the scale. I don't really know if that entirely changes the position or not, but whatever. Doesn't matter. All right. Now this is on the grid lines and everything. Oh, it's just not there under, just like the road was. All right, whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna go like figure out what I'm doing next. Alrighty. I think I forgot to say this. Doesn't matter. We are like with all the other projects. We started with assets. This one we are not. Everything is gonna be like this. What I'm about to do. We're gonna create an object, sphere, and bam, that's our player. Because this is what it's gonna be. Just cause like, cause I don't need to explain myself to you. You wanna know, learn, do you learn yourself? Lazy. Jeez. I was supposed to just reset the position, but I just entered all the values to 0 instead. And then the next step is to check that you are recording. Is a very important step, and you mustn't forget that step. If you forget that step, you will be screwed. Um, And then in our assets, we're going to right click, create. Whoa, that's a lot of stuff. Where's the folder? Create folder. Folder, 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 folder. Can you not create a folder like that? Like, whoopsies. Don't show my files. Where's the folder? How does one create a folder? I bet it's like right here, and I'm just overlooking it. Testing, no. Text, no. I've made multiple folders before. Oh, oh God, I am so stupid. It's literally right at the friggin' top. Call this Matels. And we're gonna hope we spelled that right. I mean, it doesn't matter, but hope it's spelled right. Then we got material. We're gonna name it blue because it's gonna be blue. This, whatever, however you say that, I'm not even gonna try. Don't care. We go take this blue. What shall take this color? Yep, looks good enough to me. And then we drag this. Bam, bam, onto our guy. Look at that. Isn't he beautiful? You can see the roundness on him. If I click this, okay, hold on, wait. Maybe if I focus on him. if I click this, he looks 2D. No, he doesn't. All right, I was hoping he would. Whatever, doesn't matter. This was not in what I'm about to do is not included in the video, but this white color, I don't know about for you, it is annoying me. So I am just gonna go ahead and make a light gray. Gray. Yep, that's fine. Gray spelled with a A, isn't it? That doesn't matter. Light gray. There we go. That's good. Just the light brightness was annoying me. Can't tell, because of, me using dark mode that I don't like bright colors. Whatever. I'm gonna go learn. Alrighty. So what we are supposed to do now is adjust this camera, move it to where we want it to be for the game. But the kind of game that I want to make, by the way, this is our personal project thing. So the kind of game that I have selected that I want to make, it's gonna be viewing this dude right here. This dude's gonna be a truck. So it's gonna be the camera's gonna be following him, and since we don't have the truck in here, or the player actually built, the camera's just gonna be set here for now. I will add a little bit of rotation to the X to look down a bit. Whoa, I didn't do it that much. Oh, I must have went down. I think that's what I did. Whatever. All right. Let's look down a bit. I don't know how much is a bit. 5. I'll go ahead and just change this to 5. Then we'll go ahead and select the camera. And yeah, that's fine. We'll go ahead and raise it a bit, put it more forward a bit. And no, it's not a nice camera for now. I'm actually going to shrink it so we have more scene view. It's not necessarily where we're going to want it whatsoever. But if I go ahead and go into our project thingy, it's going to be a back view of a truck or tank. So yeah, we're going to need, it's going to, yeah. Yep. I'm good at explaining. Good day. Alrighty. Now it's time to add the enemy. Except for my game is not going to have enemies, so this is where mine gonna differentiate a bit from the guy in the tutorials. All right. We're gonna do one thing first. Before we do anything, is we're gonna rename this to Gray underscore light, just because then if I had multiple grays, I can just look up gray to find out which one I want. Because then if I had multiple light colors, I could search which one I want. Yeah, whatever. It's time to add more stuff. All right, first we're gonna add the only enemy in the game. It's not even an enemy; it's a cube. We'll just go ahead and reset its position. Reset. Pull it up a bit. Get it to position 0.5. That is perfect. Yes. All right. And then just go ahead and drag it forward a bit to 5. We will type 5. Right? I don't know why it's called D. I might have typed that when I made it, it might have had me name it. and I just didn't pay attention. All right, this is going to be rate, except capital rate. I obviously don't know. I might change it. I don't know. Doesn't matter. All right, we're gonna add another enemy. Create 3D object. I hope it. Is that what I want? I think so. Cylinder transformed. Reset 0. Go ahead and we'll go ahead and position X 5 5. Oh, yep, that's what I wanted, but that's not the place I want. There we go. Position 5 5. And then we'll go ahead and raise you up out of the ground. Do something. Let's just go ahead and bring you to 1 then. And this is too tall. That's too tall. So we're gonna scale this Y down to like 0.8 maybe. Yeah, I like that size. That's a good size. All right, and we'll just make sure it's at the ground. You know what? I could just 8 it on the ground, and it shouldn't be peeking through this. All right, and then we will. These are our enemy type things. There is the crate that'll be in the way, and an explosive barrel. I don't even know if I put an explosive barrel in this. Power ups. No, I didn't. Whatever. There's an explosive barrel in it now. Um, hmm. I know that there's gonna be spikes, but I don't think that counts as like an enemy. So we're not gonna add it. Uh, and then there's one other 3D object that will be a quad. Oh, no. One other 3D object we will add. A ragdoll. Ooh. No. All right, one more 3D object that we will add, and it will be a capsule. Very big capsule. And we'll reset it to 0, and then we'll add 5. Yep, that puts it over there. That is what I actually meant to do for once. And then we will go ahead and, since this is the power up, we're gonna make it 0.5, 5, 0.5, and then like 0.5. Yep. Look at them all. They're short. All right, so we will now color them. Stop speeding up. Okay. We will now color them. Materials. Create a new material wherever it is. Material. Create. Shader. Scene. Prefab. Material. And this one's going to be red. Because enemy is bad. This is technically the only thing that we're actually going to count as an enemy, but I'm also going to call this an enemy. It's a crate, but it doesn't do anything. Just going to call it an enemy. Then we go ahead and drag that. I could drag that up here into where the cylinder is, but I don't want to. I like dragging it onto the thing. It's more fun. All right, and then material again. This one will be named brown because crates are brown. Brown is like really just orange, right? Yeah. All right, we'll go ahead and drag that on here. That is too dark of a brown. How do you make a lighter brown that doesn't just look like orange? Eh, good enough, probably. I don't know. We'll change it later. We'll make it a more woody brown later. All right, create and material. And then we will. I didn't name this one. Rename this one. Green. Alrighty. Oh, we need to make the color green. Up here. Right here. Bam. Bam. That's a bright ass green. Let's dampen that green a bit. There we go. Now it kind of looks like foam. I don't like it. Does it actually change? Okay, I'm gonna look at the game, not this thingy. See what it looks good. I don't know, whatever. There's multiple power-ups actually. How many power-ups are there? Like 3? Um Level selector, boxes with collision. You can't I remember, why is that in not the right color? I did color code these. And if I switch the viewing, it's up here, never mind. Okay. Speed is blue. Is purple. And this is it's gonna be black because it's just gonna say -5 seconds. I don't know. Actually, I could just put one of them stopwatches. Yeah, it'll be what it looks like. I don't know how to draw a stopwatch, and I'm gonna make everything in this game, all the assets myself, because then it will look better. I mean, look at this. Can't you tell I'm a great artist? Yeah, there was no. I didn't even label the power up. I just realized. Doesn't matter. We got trucks, spikes, boxes. Should I put the spikes? No, we're not gonna put the spikes yet. We'll put that on our own because I assume he's not gonna end up being like, yeah, add this. I'm just gonna go ahead and learn, but not after first admiring this wonderful picture. Look at it. Look at it. It's beautiful. I'm gonna set this to my computer background. It's beautiful. All right, I'm gonna learn. All right, it's literally been like 3 seconds. I forgot I was supposed to name these. I named crate, but I didn't name anything else. I also just realized that I never named the player either. Player, bam, cylinder. I know where I'm just gonna call it boom. Bar- Barrel has 2 R's, right? Yeah. I definitely didn't put that because I don't know how to write explosive. Power up. The first power up I'm gonna make is most definitely the speed increase because the other ones are other ones. Whatever, doesn't matter. See you. Alrighty, now we are doing stuff. I'm gonna sneeze. Give me 1 second. I sneezed. Okay, we are making a backup of our stuffs. So in case we want a backup for whatever reason, like if we want to reuse this, if I were to make like another game and I just like, oh, I want this with like 3 enemies already made and a thing just so I don't have to do it, like, yeah, boom, backup. Yeah, whatever. This backup would be more helpful if I had implemented like player movement into this and collision stuff into all these. Even though I think they already yeah, they already all have collision, but whatever. Let's go ahead and make that backup. All right. So export package, I'm like 30% sure we're supposed to do. We have to include dependencies because they're important. That's it. They're important. Because like if you were to use a player model and you didn't include this, it could break it. Yeah. Export. No, we want to in this create with code. We want it in personal project. and we want to create a new. Oh, there's a new folder button up here. Press new folder, and then we do should I capitalize this? Sure, why not? Backups. All right. Double click into it. All right, name it, and I'm supposed to name it my name, version something. I don't think I ever actually said my name in any of these videos. Hi, my name is John Doe. Doe. No, I'm gonna actually write my name. Weston. And then was it dot? Was it underscore? This thing? I don't remember. I can change the name later. So Weston dot B for version, and since it's not a full version, 0.1. Weston version. I don't think I'm gonna add anything. I think I'm just gonna add that. No. No. They all look wrong. All of them do. Nothing. My name looks wrong. Alright, saved. Weston version 1. Now we're just gonna go ahead and check and see what it is. So it was an underscore. Alrighty. We will go ahead and rename it once I remember how to rename things. Alright. Underscore. There we go. Got our backup set. Also, by the way, this teacher guy's name is Carl. That's it. All right, this guy's name's Carl. All right, that was it for this one. So yeah, bye. I just want to say the next thing that you had to do in the thing, this little course was to take a quiz. I just got 5 out of 10 for the quiz. I am not taking it again. I don't like tests. I took it again. Let's go. I definitely did not look at what all the answers were before I took the test again. I promise I would never do that. I would do that. Look at this. Because I completed the test, I'm gonna start this checkpoint, whatever it is. But look at what I get for completing this checkpoint. I unlock a kitchen. That's hilarious. I must complete this checkpoint. I no longer want to complete this checkpoint. It's another quiz. And this one actually needs me to do good to pass. I'm gonna be here for a while. Alright. Finished the test. Haven't clicked it yet. I feel like I'm gonna get like 5 wrong, but like I think it was like 5 and 6 or 4 and 5. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get wrong. I got 8. That was better than I thought I was gonna get. Let's see what it was that I got wrong. Let's see, 2, 3. I got 3 wrong. Oh wait, I thought I was gonna get 3 wrong. Oh wait, no, I didn't. Ah, whatever. Yeah, it wasn't 4. Yep, 5 and 6. I got 6 right. I didn't think I would get 6 right. 9. Yeah, I thought I was gonna get that one wrong too. Hey, but that is a better score than I thought I was gonna get. I did not pass though, so I will see you in a bit. Alrighty, I forgot to like look at what was wrong with the other questions, so I didn't get to cheat this one. Let's see. I bet I'm gonna get a lower score now. I got 10. I just spit on my keyboard. I got 10. What did I get wrong this time? Is it something that I already got right before? 9. No, it's not. All right, that's fine. What is it? In the statement, blah, 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 blah. All right, hold on. Give me a second to know what I missed. I just went ahead and took the test again, just to get 11 out of 11 because, because I wanted to. All right, that's it. Alrighty, I think that's where I'm gonna go ahead and end it. This one was yet again another short one, but I did kind of start this one also kind of late. And the next thing says it's gonna take 30 minutes. I do not have 30 minutes. Yet again, gonna have to end it pretty early, but we did pretty much nothing today. We've got a boom boom barrel. That's all that you need to know. Yep, yep. Does this have like a circle collider in it? Like a, that doesn't matter. I don't think so. Whatever. Where's the? Yep. Okay. Bye bye.